The decision to keep the user or the community or whoever you're designing for at the center, then really this is something that AI doesn't do. Because AI is responsible for churning out ideas. AI is not responsible for making sure it works. The fun part or the exciting part is that yes, one can create innumerable number of options very fast and like generate ideas galore, and that can also be possibly a risky part, because if you depend on that and if you're just going to churn out what AI gives, then in some ways you are replaceable, because design was always about making a judgment. Who are you making it for? Why are you making it for? What is going to be the impact of that? What is it going to influence? How is it going to influence? The decision to keep the user or the community or whoever you're designing for at the center, then really this is something that AI doesn't do. Because AI is responsible for churning out ideas. AI is not responsible for making sure it works. If you are a designer that's truly using your own sense of the context of who you're designing for, or using your own judgment, then AI can continue giving you options. Maybe the scary part or the ugly part is that in many ways, people think that design has become about like churning out ideas. That's not going to work anymore. Okay, because that's very easily replaceable. That's also an opportunity for design to go back to what it was originally meant to be. About understanding life, about understanding situations, understanding problems, understanding the person or the user or the community in the center of that. Having to sometimes watch your solution fail and then iterating on that and coming up with the next solution. So AI is not sitting in any of those spaces. So maybe it's an opportunity to move from ugly to good. I was thinking about AI is often referred to or could be referred to as an intern. And again, I think that it's not always easy, because a good intern will produce if you know what questions to give them, if you know how to direct them, if you know how to tell them what you want them to do.